How to restore deleted Viber messages. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can restore your deleted Viber messages. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up your Viber. After you open up your Viber, head over on the bottom right corner to your more option, that is on the bottom right, the three dots. After you're there, you can just scroll down till you find the settings option. Tap on settings. And now before I teach you guys what to do next, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let's continue. So now what you'll need to do is head over to the account option that is on the top. After you do that, you should see different options. Head over to Viber backup. Now after you're there, you will need to check when the last backup was made and also need to make sure that your Viber was backed up before you deleted the messages. Now after you've checked that, and all you now need to do is tap on restore and tap on restore again. After you do that, your Viber chat will get restored and yeah, you're basically good to go. That is how you can restore your deleted messages on Viber. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned for more and bye bye.